everybody. Now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. This is practice problem number 9.7 and we are asked to find the voltage in a circuit described by the integrodifferential equation using phasor approach. So we are going to use this phasor approach and this is your equation, that is integrodifferential equation. Okay, fine. So for this phasor approach, this can be written as 2 into V into j omega plus 5V plus 10V divided by j omega, that is equal to 50 angle 30 degree minus 30. 50 angle minus 30 degree. This is the phasor form of this integrodifferential equation. This omega can be obtained from this equation as 5. Okay, so in place of omega you can write it as 2V into j into 5 plus 5V plus 10V divided by j5, that is equal to 50 angle minus 30 degree. And in this case he can cancel out this and you'll be getting this as 2V by j. And this, the j at the denominator must be actually, okay, so in order to remove this we have to multiply and divide it by j. Okay, so we'll do it again. So first term becomes j into 10 into v plus 5v and then multiply and divide by j, then you will be getting this as j into 2v divided by j square, that is equal to 50 angle minus 30 degree. And we all very well know that this j square is equal to minus 1. So this term becomes minus 1. Okay, so that we can write this as j 10v plus 5v minus 2jv, that is equal to 50 angle 30 degree. So we can now combine these two terms which are containing j terms. Okay, so this becomes j8v plus 5v, that is equal to 50 angle 30 degree. So if you take this v outside, then it can be written as 5 plus j8, that is equal to 50 into angle, so these are all minus 30, right? Minus 30 degrees. Then I can write this v because we want to find out this voltage v of t only. Okay, so v, that is equal to 50 angle minus 30 degree divided by 5 plus j8. So when you see this 5 plus j8 is in the rectangular form, isn't it? But whenever you want to perform this, this is actually division, isn't it? So whenever you want to perform multiplication or division, there we prefer to have it in the polar form only. Okay, so this must be actually converted into its equivalent polar form. So this becomes v is equal to 50 angle minus 30 divided by 5 plus j8 is equal to 9.43 angle 57.99 degrees. Okay, so how do you do it? Actually this can be done using your calculator. Okay, so there actually you can press the shift key, then you can press this polar, that would be available, that is available above this polar, this key you have to press. Within that you would be having two rectangle will be there. Okay, there you can represent, there you can actually enter this value. This is your real part and this is your imaginary part. Then when you press enter here, then you will be getting the answer like this, 9.43 and then angle 57.99 degrees. Okay, so this is how you will be getting it. So after that, we can perform ordinary division for this. So this 50, this is actually what? This V is equal to 50, that is divided by 9.43. But for the angle, just you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so it is minus 30 minus this 57.99. This is how we perform the operations. Okay, so this would be equal to, so this capital V is equal to 5.30 angle minus 87.99 degrees. So now we got this answer, right? Answer, but this is in the phasor domain, but we need to have it in the time domain. Okay, so we want to get it in the time domain, the answer. So how do you write it? Simply you can write it as this v of small v of t, time domain, right? That is equal to, this is your magnitude, so 5.30 is the magnitude, and then multiplied by cos of 5t minus 87.99 degrees. This much volts. Here also you can put it as volts. Okay, unit is important. So this is your required answer. So we got it in the time domain, and this is your answer. And how did you get this? Actually, 5, this 5 was given as omega, and that is in the question itself it is given, right? So that should be written here. Simply you cannot put it as omega t. Instead you can refer. So here you can refer your problem in which it is given already that as 5t. Okay, so that omega should be taken into consideration. Okay, that's all. Hope you have understood.